Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a closer look at working with blocks and block patterns. In this video, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to build a beautiful page by utilizing Gutenberg blocks along with some Kalamuna blocks and patterns. To demonstrate, I'm going to replicate the kalamuna.com homepage. For time's sake, I will need to break this video up into a few different parts. So this first video is going to focus on the media and text block. I'm going to bring up the home page so that we can take a look at it. So right away, you can see that there is some text along with an image in this top component right here. And below that, we have a very similar layout. So this is what we'll be replicating in our video right now. I'm going to navigate back to the page editor. As I mentioned, we will be focusing on the media and text block to replicate this. So I'm going to just insert that right now, and then upload the correct content. So I have the image loaded right there, and now I will paste in my content to the right. Add heading, paste that in, and then the text. I like to use this inline editor by hitting the / key on my keyboard because I find it a little bit more efficient when I'm in the editing process. I'm also going to click on the button, add this link from the toolbar, and we'll link this to our About page. Great. So just like that, we already have a block done, but it is a little bit different than what we had on the Kalamuna site. On the Kalamuna site, the image was on the right. So if you actually click on the block, you can see that this toolbar pops up and there's an option to have the media on the left or the right. So we'll do that, and we easily change that. Another thing I noticed is the image on the Kalamuna site is a little bit more narrow, so we can actually change that by adjusting the media width, which is found in the settings panel on the right. You can either adjust this toggle, or you can just adjust what's in this input area. Next, we're going to do the other component that was below this. You can either start from scratch and set all of these settings again, or what I would like to do is duplicate this block to save some time. So if you click on the block, you can click on this options panel and then click duplicate. This will copy the block exactly as it was. And now all we have to do is just edit the image position setting and then edit the content within the block. So I'm going to replace the image and then edit the content. To edit the link, I can just hit this pencil and update the link with the appropriate URL. And there, just like that, we have 2 blocks already done. If you'd like to add some spacing between the blocks, you can click on the top block, click on the Styles tab, and then open up Dimension Settings. I'm going to click this Unlinked Sides just so I can control where I want to add more spacing. And then I can add some spacing right there. So just like that, we have 2 blocks on our page already. And if we preview what that looks like, we can see that it looks pretty close to what we have on the kalamuna.com website.